journaling after a breakup has so many benefits beyond the immediate release of emotions. For me, it was around 6 months after reviewing what I wrote to see where I was emotionally and where I am. It gave me so much strength and power to know that I can conquer anything. I'm Coach Paz Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. In today's session, we're going to talk about how to write, to heal, and just embracing writing down your emotions. You're going to learn seven things that will be beneficial for you when you start journaling. If you like to journal, it's even better. If you don't like to journal, that will do that for you. That will do that for you. The first thing is the emotional release, because when you are writing gives you safe space to pour out everything that you're feeling: anger, sadness, confusion, regret, without judgment. And also, when you're writing down, it forces you to be clear. And I want you guys, when you're journaling, to imagine the thoughts comes from your head to your heart, to your hand, onto the paper. And sometimes it's anger, it's pain. And I even told you one time to write a letter to your ex. Don't send it. You just write it down to release all of the emotions, and then you burn the letter. Never send it. Now, it's like venting to someone who is truly listening to you. Better out than in. Your journal does not interrupt, and it doesn't get tired of hearing about your ex. This is why it's important for you at the beginning, and it's a skill that you take for your life. Now I journal a lot because I love that. It helps me to refocus, just seeing again, like I told you, seeing where I am, and then a month, a year from now, I see where I was and where I am again. It's beautiful to see how you're growing. And you can only see how you're growing when you're monitoring your growth. You can monitor your growth by journaling. Second thing is mental clarity. Like I said, breakups come with real width of thoughts. Journaling helps untangle them. You start to see patterns, truth, and red flags that you missed during the relationship. It forces you to be clear. It forces you. You can't journal and not be clear. When you're just juggling thoughts in your head, you can be unclear, it can be messy, but when you write it down, you got to be clear. So it gives you mental clarity. Number three is self reflection and growth. You get to reflect on your needs, boundaries, and what you what you want in the future, your future relationships. Journaling is a mirror. It helps you see your role in the relationship and how to grow from it. Number four, tracking your healing journey. Reading past entries show you how far you've come. What hurt you on day three may not hurt the same at day 30. This is incredibly motivating and proof that your healing is happening. Many people feel stagnant when they're healing. They say, I don't know if I'm healing. I don't know if I am doing it correctly. If you journaled, you would see where you were at day three, where you are at day 30. It's not the same. Of course, the healing journey is not linear. You feel up and down until you stabilize. But this is very powerful to look back, because when you look back, you realize the power that you're having. It's so immense. So immense. And you know that if something like that happens again, you got it. You got it. You trust yourself. It builds trust with yourself. Number five, it's private and judgment free zone. You can say anything with anything you wouldn't tell anyone else. Your darkest thoughts, fantasies, or reconciliation, or even your moments of relapse. Total honesty, it's deep healing. Total honesty. This is why when you talk to a therapist or a coach, you're being very honest. And when you're being very honest, you feel so much better. It's kind of like, forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. You just confess your darkest secrets, and it releases you, it relieves you, it makes you feel so good. Number six is reduces anxiety and stress. The act of writing slows down your mind. It gives you structure it gives structure to chaos, helping you breathe a little easier, especially before bed during emotional spirals. Number seven, last but not least, build self trust. When you write daily or consistently, you build a habit of showing up for yourself. That's the important thing. You show up for yourself. You're doing it for you, not to you. It's not, oh, I gotta write. No, you get to write. Instead of saying I got to, say I get to. This reinforces your sense of control and self discipline, which may feel lost after a breakup. And that is all there is to it. Journaling, it heals. Journaling, it will help you. It will help you to fall back in love with yourself. And like I'm always telling you, you guys, this breakup happened for you and not to you. The healing journey is a self love process where you're starting to get to know yourself better, being more intimate with yourself, not in a physical way, but in a spiritual way. You get to know you, you get to love you, and you look back and you say, I love this motherfucker. Look how strong he was. I watched my documentary now that I recorded about a year ago when my ex cheated on me. And if you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it. The link in the description below. I say to myself, wow, look how strong this person is and was. Now it's like, oh my God. So you can record yourself as well. That's very healing. And if you need extra help, please feel free to get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program. I'm offering that for $37 for a limited amount of time. Make sure you get it now to heal correctly. Of course, I have a lot of journaling in the program. It's a step-by-step process. You have workbook, filling the blanks. It's very simple, but it's very profound as well. If you want my one-on-one help, all the links in the description below. I would love to talk to you and guide you through your journey to make you the best version of yourself as fast as humanly possible. It's not just about the speed of your healing, it's about the quality of your healing. And when you work one-on-one with me, I make sure that your quantity, that the quality of your healing and the speed of the velocity of your healing will be the best as possible. You guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.